Push-up is one of the most effective exercises for building muscles. Many people set themselves challenges. They do 100 push-ups a day for 30 days and achieve great results. And what happens if you do push-ups every day? Will it help you to gain muscles? In this video, I will answer all these questions. So watch it to the end, it will be interesting. Let's go! The first point is the development of target muscle groups. First of all, chest muscles. The internet is full of stories of how people achieve significant improvements in the way their pectoral muscles look just in 30 days. In addition, their deltoids, triceps and biceps also improved. It seems a little paradoxical, because the triceps and biceps are antagonists. If the triceps works, how can the biceps work together with it? The triceps is responsible for the extension of the arm at the elbow, the same effort that we make during push-ups. The biceps, which usually flex the arm at the elbow, in this exercise has another function. The task of the biceps in push-ups is to bring the shoulder to the corpus. Yes, push-up is a multi-joint basic exercise that pumps half of the upper body. In addition to the noticeable changes, which you can see in the mirror, your endurance will increase. That is, you will be easier to endure other loads. You will have an improvement in the functioning of the respiratory system and cardiovascular system, and in general, you will get a good increase of endorphins in your body. That is, you will feel more cheerful. Is it responsible to do push-ups until you drop every day? When a person does several approaches every day and does push-ups as much as possible, to failure. Or if a person has set himself a challenge to do push-ups 100 times a day, and before that, he did push-ups very rarely, so he has to do 10 or even more approaches to fulfill this standard. Is it okay or not? It's wrong to do push-ups every day to failure until you drop, because it can lead to overtraining. This will significantly increase the release of catabolic hormones, and the muscles won't have enough time to full recover. Push-up is a relatively intense exercise. It can quickly go into anaerobic mode, and being in anaerobic mode for too long for the same muscle group is an overload. I recommend you to push up no more than 80% of what you can, and then you can do it every day. This will tone your muscles and your cardiovascular system very well. In this case, we consider daily push-ups more as a part of morning workout, and there is a huge number of advantages. If you do this every day, your arms, shoulders and chest will be significantly more muscular, tighter, stronger and more resilient than the average person of your age. It will also be great for your blood circulation, heart and breathing, and this ultimately is your health and longevity. And how to do push-ups correctly? Firstly, you must be mindful of the position of your pelvis. You must feel your body. The body should be flat like a straight line. Your buttocks and head shouldn't protrude. The next point is 90-degree rule. When you lower, your arms should be at the angle of 90 degrees in relation to your body. And when you rise, you should extend your arms almost to the end. You should keep your head straight and stare at the floor and concentrate. And there are various variations of push-ups. You can do push-ups on your palms, or you can do them on your fists. If you want to increase the intensity, then you can put your feet on some kind of elevation, and this will make your push-ups more difficult. There is one worth mentioning point. People who have tried push-ups 100 times every day say that it's not difficult to do push-ups 100 times. But it's really hard to do push-ups 100 times every day. That is a psychological moment. If you set yourself a challenge to do push-ups 100 times every day, then it's better to divide this amount into several small sets. For example, 5 sets of 20 reps. You shouldn't do failure sets every day. If it's hard for you to do 100 push-ups a day, start with at least 20 push-ups a day, divide it into several sets. I know that the internet is full of videos where people do push-ups 100 times a day for 30 days and then show impressive results. But you will achieve great results and maintain your health better if you don't overtrain. So, is it worth doing push-ups? Yes. Should you do push-ups wisely? Definitely yes. By the way, friends, write in the comments how many push-ups can you do in one set. Tell me please, it will be interesting to read. I also recommend you to watch other videos on my channel. Links are on the screen now. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!